Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Kaya coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, June 12, 2015, the last day of school. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 64 degrees. We are expected to have a high of 73 and a low of 53 with thunderstorms. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Mahoney, Haley.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Cubs beat the Reds 6-3. The Golden State Warriors tied the NBA series at 2-2 with a win against the Cavaliers 103-82. And the Blackhawks are playing Game 5 against the Lightning on Saturday night. We wish them good luck. Go Hawks! There will be an assembly today in the gym. Kindergarten, first, second, and third graders will come down at 9 o'clock. Fourth, fifth, and sixth graders will come down at 10 o'clock. And now a message from Mr. Smelger.
I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna beat me down. I get knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna beat me.
Thank you, Kaya. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Uh-oh, the sixth grade prank is set in. All right, there we go. Good morning, staff and students. Today is the last day of school, as you heard Kaya say. We do have some assemblies and things coming up. But it is also the last day to pull our Herbie high fives. So let's get started. The eggs are full. We've got the primary egg first. Room 119 just brought in a whole bunch of Herbie high fives, so they really loaded it up. However, room 119 also brought in an envelope with $12 in it, and I'm not sure what that's for. It's library book money. Smart. Never mind. Mystery solved. All right. Room 116, we've got Umaima. I can't really read that very well. I think that's what it says. 120, we've got Aday. Room 118, we've got Jeffrey. Room 118, we've got Nicholas. Room 121, we've got Arnav. Room 116, we've got Bhavya. Let's see, room 106, Vishruth. Room 118, again, Nicholas. Wow, good job, Nicholas. 106, Dylan. In 106, we've got, it looks like maybe Jose. And last one, 106, we've got Hassini. So congratulations to all of those students. And now the intermediate. I know Anthony Cooper told me he put in over 50 with his name on it. He's been collecting them for a while, so let's see if he gets one. Savannah, she's in the studio, 211. We've got Josie in 213. Looks like Pruthvi in 211. Here too? Yeah? Again! Wow. Pruthvi? Mara in 211. Natalia in 206. The studio's full today, by the way. That's why I'm talking to all these people behind the cameras. Kirill in 211. Hopefully Kirill is feeling better today. He's here today? Awesome.
Yeah, Cheryl's here.
Of course, Ashia in 206. And Johnny in 207. We'll do one more. We've got Kaya in 211.
Yes.
211, really? Wow. All right. Before I go for today, though, I do want to have a special thank you too. We have 3 retirees this year. We have Mrs. Zito leaving in the front office, Mrs. Del Vecchio, one of our literacy coaches, and Mrs. Suarez. They're all retiring, so we wish the best of luck to all 3 of you. Good luck. You know that you always have a family here at Hoover. Everybody have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger.
You're welcome.
Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that the Hawks have won 5 National Hockey League championships? Bringing Lord Stanley's Cup home in 1934, 1938, 1961, 2010, and 2013. Maybe a 6th will come home this year. This week's live broadcast is brought to you by our 6th grade studios production crew. Have a fantastic last day of school Friday. Bye.
Bye.
Mr. Schmelzer, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Okay.